Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WhatsApp chats to a new Android phone step by step clearly. Open WhatsApp on your old Android phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three vertical dots. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Tap on Chats in the Settings menu. Choose the option labeled Chat Backup. In the Chat Backup section, tap on Backup. Make sure your Google account is selected for the backup. Tap on Backup to Google Drive if not already set. Select the frequency of backup according to your preference. Once the backup is complete, turn off your old phone. Take your new Android phone and install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Open WhatsApp on your new phone. Agree to the terms and conditions. Verify your phone number as prompted. WhatsApp will detect the backup from your Google account. A prompt will ask if you want to restore the chat history. Tap on Restore to begin the process. Wait for the restoration to complete. Once finished, tap Next to continue. Your WhatsApp chats and media will now be available on your new phone. Set up your profile by entering your name and, if needed, a profile picture. Start using WhatsApp with all your previous chats on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.